Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this easy face mask with only 2 ingredients and the result just wow. You can't find 2 more beneficial ingredients for the skin than aloe vera and honey. Both of these delightful substances have enormous benefit for all skin. Aloe vera has been used in households for centuries, whether it's to soothe sunburn or hydrate dry hair. The plant has a long list of beneficial components. Studies show that the gel has various vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that can be used to tackle different skincare concerns. It stimulates collagen production. It reduces inflammation and irritation. It fights against acne and breakouts. It hydrates the skin. Unpasteurized honey is naturally antifungal, antiseptic, and is super hydrating because it's a humectant and will pull moisture out of the air and into your skin. Well, let's get started. All we need is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of honey, mix the ingredients together and apply it over your face and neck. And before applying any face mask, don't forget to clean your face with warm water to open pores for best results. Then apply the mask and relax for at least 25 minutes, allowing the mask to nourish your skin. Rinse off with warm water and marvel at the instant glow your skin now has. Try it twice a week for best results. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.